Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. The mutton barra kebab is a very typical recipe of the north, and today let's see how to make a quick and an easy version of it. Here I have a kg of mutton chops which we are going to marinate with 1 cup of hung curd, a tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of anardana powder, which is basically dry pomegranate powder. This will add a little tanginess to the chops. Half a teaspoon of pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a pinch of nutmeg powder, half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of red chili powder. Here I have some roasted gram flour. So I'm going to take a tablespoon of roasted gram flour as well. Salt to taste. And about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Let's mix this well. And marinate the meat for at least 8 hours. Here I have already marinated a kilo of mutton chops almost 8 hours earlier. We'll use this now for the recipe. So what I'm going to show you now is an easy way to cook this mutton barra kebab on a tawa. So I'm going to heat around 2 tablespoons of oil, a tablespoon of butter, and now we are going to just cook these marinated pieces of mutton in this oil and butter. Let's cover this and cook it on a low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's flip these kebabs now. Let's cover this and cook this for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of cooking it on the other side, I'm sure the chops are ready to be served. The meat is easily falling off the bone. The mutton barra kebabs are ready to be served. Let's remove this in a serving platter. Let's sprinkle some chaat masala on this. And our mutton barra kebab is ready to be served. You saw what a simple recipe this is, which can be easily made on your tawa. So do try this recipe, let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.